Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to write a spouse visa financial support letter, a key document for proving that you're financially supporting your partner as they apply for a spouse visa. We'll break this down section by section so you know exactly what to include and why it's important. If you're submitting this letter to immigration authorities, every word matters. So let's get started. Sender's information. We begin at the very top of the letter with your personal information. This is your full legal name, followed by your complete address, your email, and your phone number. For example, the template begins with your full name, your full address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This part confirms who is writing the letter and gives the immigration officer a way to contact you if necessary. Make sure this information is current and matches what you've submitted elsewhere in your application. Date of the letter. After your contact details, you should write the date. It's important to date the letter because immigration authorities want to know the time frame of your financial commitment. Make sure the date is recent, typically within the last 30 days of your application submission. Use the standard format, month, day, and year. For example, June 15, 2025. Recipient and salutation. Next, we address the letter. Since this type of letter is typically submitted as part of a visa application and is not addressed to a specific person, the standard salutation is, "To whom it may concern." This is a formal and widely accepted greeting for immigration letters. You don't need to name a specific officer or department unless specifically instructed by your visa processing center. Subject line. State the purpose clearly. After the salutation, include a subject line. This helps clarify what the letter is about right away. In our case, the subject line is, Subject Financial Support Letter for Spouse Visa Application. This line makes it immediately clear that your letter is intended to provide financial assurance for your spouse's visa process. You don't need to get creative here. Just stick to this simple and informative format. Opening paragraph. State your purpose and relationship. Now we get into the body of the letter. The first paragraph should clearly state your intention for writing and confirm your relationship to the applicant. Here's how it's worded in the template. I am writing this letter to confirm that I, your full name, am willing and able to provide full financial support to my spouse's full name, during their stay in country name as part of their spouse visa application process. We are legally married, and I wish to support their application for a visa that will allow us to live together as a married couple. This paragraph covers 3 important points. 1. That you're the sponsor. 2. You're married to the applicant. 3. And you're offering full financial support. This shows the immigration officer that the visa applicant won't become a burden to the public system and has someone responsible for their well-being. Employment and financial capacity. Prove you can afford it. Next, you'll want to explain your financial status, where your money comes from, and how you'll use it to support your spouse. Let's look at the example. I am currently employed as a your job title at company name, and I have been working there since start date. My monthly income is amount in local currency, and I also have additional sources of income savings, which make me financially capable of supporting my spouse without reliance on public funds. Attached to this letter, I have included supporting documentation such as my employment letter, recent payslips, and bank statements to verify my financial standing. This paragraph is very important. Immigration authorities need to see that you have stable and sufficient income to cover both your expenses and your spouse's. Be honest and specific with your job title, company name, and how long you've been working there. Mention any other sources of income you have, like investments or personal savings, and list the documents you're attaching. Employment letter, bank statements, payslips, anything that backs up your claim. Commitment of support and living arrangements. The next paragraph confirms that you're not just financially supporting your spouse, you're also providing them with a place to stay and covering their essential needs. Here's what the template says. I take full responsibility for all expenses related to my spouse's accommodation, food, health insurance, transportation, and other personal living costs for the entire duration of their stay in country name. Furthermore, we will reside together at my current address, your full address. This shows that you're not offering vague support. You're specifying what you'll cover, from housing to health insurance. You're also stating that you'll live together, which supports the legitimacy of your relationship. This is crucial in spouse visa applications. Immigration officers want to ensure that the relationship is genuine and that your spouse will have proper living conditions during their stay. Offer for further contact. Before wrapping up the letter, it's good practice to invite the immigration officer to contact you if they have further questions. This shows openness and transparency. The letter says, "Please do not hesitate to contact me should you require any additional information or clarification." Keep this sentence as it is. It's a polite and professional way to close your letter before the final thank you note. Final thank you and formal closing. Just before signing off, thank the immigration officer for their time. Thank you for your time and consideration in reviewing this letter. This is short, respectful, and a nice way to end the message. Then finish with a formal closing. Sincerely, your signature, if printed. Your full name. If you're submitting this electronically, the typed name is enough, but if it's a printed letter, make sure to sign above your name in ink. And that's it. You now know how to write a spouse visa financial support letter that's clear, professional, and aligned with immigration expectations. Just remember to stick closely to the structure, be honest about your financial situation, and provide all supporting documentation. This letter is one of the most important parts of your spouse's visa application, so don't rush through it. Take your time, review everything twice, and make sure your documents back up what you're saying in the letter. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone going through the same visa process, and don't forget to subscribe to Writing Practices for more practical writing tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions or need help with another kind of letter, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy writing.